Hey guys, it's Chad Dizza. I'm back. Yes, beard got a little bit longer, life got a little hectic, but I did not stop printing. So this is my episode number 2. What have I been printing? Stay tuned. Welcome back, everyone. So life got a little hectic. Still having a lot of fun with my Anycubic i3 Mega. This printer, I cannot stop glowing about it. It is such a great printer. Never been happier with a printer. So if you are looking to buy a new printer, I'll highly suggest buying this printer. I'll leave down an Amazon link where to buy this. So let's begin. What have I been printing? Well, a lot of my stuff I've been printing is pretty much the same stuff that I've shown you guys over and over again. Benchies, Marvins, rockets, everything like that, for a couple of reasons. I've been trying out new colors of filament, different brands of filament, just trying to come up like what is a good price point. Is too cheap, is spending high amount of money on filament worth it? So I'm trying to gather some data right there, and it's actually surprisingly interesting. So I'm going to go more in depth on that. The second reason is my nephew loves those rocket ships, so I keep printing them and he keeps taking them from me, which is fine. So besides that, let's begin. First thing on the agenda, this right here. This is a little scorpion mask I made from Mortal Kombat. I attempted to paint on it. Really wasn't trying to go for fine detail. Was trying to see if I like this yellow on it, how well it looks, little different techniques I want to try on it. So very cool. Got a couple of issues on this mask. It's not the design itself. It's the way that I printed it. I printed it super fast, so it got there's a lot of layer lines in there. So if I slow it down, I don't think there would be a problem on there. Also, when you hold it up to your face, it's a very small mask. It's perfect for kids. So if you have a kid that wants to dress up as Scorpion or Sub-Zero or anybody like that, it's a perfect size. Me and my colleague, a buddy of mine, we want to do a little skit on his YouTube video where I dress up as Scorpion, he dressed up as Sub-Zero, and we go to a bar and do little 5-second clips there, like a parody to going to a bar with your buddy and being a character for Mortal Kombat. So I'm going to blow these up a little bit more, print them out, and actually pay attention and do a fine detail paint job on there. Well, as detailed as I can, because I suck at painting. So, cool mask. Go ahead and make a couple more, make some adjustments, make them a little bit bigger so they can fit my big head on there. The second thing, as you can see, big Mario fan, made this little Mario question mark box. Very cool. One thing that I made it opens up, and at first I thought it was a SD card holder. It is not. It will fit micro SD cards in here, but the bigger slots are actually turns out for the Nintendo Switch holder. So I was a little bummed about that, but I still really like this box. Big Mario fan. It came out great. This is one of the yellows I got, PLAs on there. Very happy with this. So this kind of becomes a art piece, a decoration piece in my man cave. The next thing I printed, everything else I printed on my little time away from the camera, is all things to decorate the house. One thing I did is our house is movie theater theme, and one of our favorite movies is Terminator. So I printed the T800. So for you kids don't know what the T800 is, this is the model that Arnold Schwarzenegger Terminator was this older model here. So this bus came out really cool. Printed out in my Hatchbox red, and then just sanded down a little bit and did a base of gray on it, sand that a little bit more, then just sprayed it with chrome. I don't know if I want to paint the eyes red to show it's active, the little pupils, or try to cut it out, put little like red Christmas lights in there or something, or just leave it. Let me know in the comments below what you think I should do. As right now, it just sits up in one of our floating shelves, and it's a great decoration piece. Now the last two things that I've printed was for our spare bedroom. Our spare bedroom is all about skulls, candy skulls, any type of skulls like that. So I came across this model. This model is really, really cool. So this is, I don't know what brand this is. I really like this PLA. This black PLA came with my Anycubic i3. You got a spool of it. It's a unmarked PLA, but I really like this black. It came out good. It's not a shiny black. It's kind of like a dull black, but I really, really like this brand. Fortunately, I don't know who makes it. I'm sure if I reach out to Anycubic, or Anycubic, if you're watching, let me know where I could buy this black from. I've been very, very happy with it. Only problem is when I printed that. So there's mine. The wife had to have hers. So in our spare bedroom, we're going to have his and hers little skull, three-dimensional skull on there. I have printed quite a few things for our spare bedroom, and more we are adding to our living room. There's more and more props I'm printing. Now you might be looking at this and be like, really, this is all you printed in 2 weeks? No, besides those gifts and rocket ships and stuff like that, the past week and a half I've been doing the biggest print job I've ever done. I'm going to be making a video for this print alone. It is massive. It's taken up almost 2 spools, so 2 kilograms of plastic. About 45 hours as of right now. I still got about another 10 hours of printing to go. Of just print time, about another 25 hours of cleaning, sanding, and painting. So stay tuned for that. That project, it became a child of love, you could say. Spending so much time on this. So stay tuned for that. That video should be coming out this weekend. That's my goal, is to finish up this week, film it, and present it to you guys. So that's going to be it. Thank you for watching episode 2 of what I've been printing. Been having a lot of fun. In the comments, let me know what you guys been printing. I'm going to try to start my Instagram account and Twitter. And I kind of want to create a community of people, not just 3D printers, but people that show their arts, to show what they've been creative, kind of like a creating area. So let me know in the comments below if that is something that you're interested in, so I can let you guys know what's going on there. So once again, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like this video and I suck, give me a thumbs down. But no matter which way you choose, don't forget to hit the subscription button. I'll catch you guys later.